Dear USA, all nations, and 7.9 plus billions of humans, I hope we all are in same page on ongoing civil justice sign-off is all for Pope Francis, the Lucifer, the Satan, the Antichrist created, tax mandate, COVID-19, child marriage, and it is deadliest crime. So basic birthrights level all destroyed, birthrights stripped off from all civilians worldwide is the harshest reality, and nobody left out in Pope Francis mandated 666 mark of the beast scandal. So civil justice must be served immediately without any delay. Yes, I am going to get civil justice for all total child marriage population enforced to live with emotional torture. And because Pope Francis is Satan is proved, and Queen Elizabeth II is Satan is proved, and faces of Pope Francis are Satan's is also proved, and all nations must should never have any criminal justice. And I also displayed the error of Department of Justice with the proof. So divorce process for entire child marriage population should be annulled, dissolution of invalid disqualified marriage. For Satan, Pope Francis only created child marriage, and President Joe Biden must resign immediate for fatal negligence, and I Vedapriya should become excuse me, I Vedapriya become Supreme Civil Chief Vatican Leader now, and I Vedapriya become Supreme Chief Family Law Judge for all nations. For I displayed $1 trillion errors of wrongful hell mandate. Pope Francis created hell divorce process in all nations worldwide, and I can bail out DCF later when I become medical director for all nations. So prosecution, crucifixion enforced to humans in different versions. So can you all see how innocent civilians enforced to look at fault mode when innocent and Pope Francis created hell always looked godly, holy highness, holy Republica, God of USA, and why nations of populations without any awareness only worshipping deadliest Antichrist, Pope Francis is God, and that is another $1 trillion scandal. And yes, and I also want to add on to the extent it's civil justice that during the divorce process for entire child marriage population, always the biological moms having the highest impasse must get the sole custody of children forever according to the Holy Bible guidelines as in civil law. Then yes, I am the mouthpiece for entire child marriage population slaughtered and butchered by Antichrist Pope Francis the Satan, the Antichrist the Lucifer, and I sure will get civil justice count by count to all child marriage population worldwide. Either Pope Francis should say he knows what is child marriage, or Pope Francis should say don't know who are child marriage population in earth. So either ways we won the case of ongoing civil justice for $500,000 trillion financial medical compensation to be paid to each civilian times total population. So can you also understand how emotional level, feelings level, Pope Francis, absolute monarchs, Queen of England, Elizabeth II just destroyed anything of humanity worldwide, all for fanatic love of crown alone? Absolute monarchs do not have any birthright to enforce and child marriage worldwide to destroy brain nerves damages, and there is no other crime that is deadliest category than to enforce child marriage to fellow mankind and stripping of birthrights of civilians, and to enforce and mandate male human operating system and female human operating system to be enforced to be malfunctioned by Vatican Code of Abuse Law scandal mandate, tax mandate, and pain inflicted on child marriage population worldwide, and it is an absolute torture. So it is torture is created by enforcement, and that is absolutely wrong. So how precious lives of civilians destroyed without awareness. So in disease life cycle, always disease creators is at fault and never innocent. So for destroyed holy marriage law and destroyed human lives by destroying human brain nerves mode, it is absolute monarch Satans must pay $500,000 trillion to each civilian times 7.9 plus billions of humans. And one more Yeah, I think I already covered that that part of the civil justice, that always, forever, biological moms are double innocent genders in the whole entire human kingdom and must be given the sole custody of the children, and always the biological moms having the highest impasse, having the highest eligibility to provide what next process only in the divorce process. So that is according to the true Christianity, Holy Bible guidelines and civil justice process. So, in a disease life cycle, always disease creators is at fault and never innocent. So, for destroyed holy marriage law and destroyed human lives by destroying human brain nurses mode, it is absolute monarch status must pay $500,000 trillion to each civilian times 7.9 plus billions of humans. So, I, Vedapriya, proved Vatican Jesuits leader Pope Francis is Satan, Antichrist created Singh, mandated of tax mandate, COVID-19 666, mark of the beast process model to enforce child marriage to worldwide, to destroy the human brain vessels for fellow mankind. So Pope Francis must, the Satan, the Antichrist, the Lucifer must resign now, and I become Vatican leader now is a civil justice. I should only lead enterprise software design architect solutions for entire software world. So you all got correct education. How President Joe Biden will resign in next 1 second is because Queen Elizabeth II is Antichrist is proved, and Pope Francis is Antichrist is also proved, and Department of Justice error is also proved, and the United States of America should not have criminal justice, and as of today when criminal justice there, then that is also error is also proved, and entire Democrat government will just faint and pass out just by being aware of why US is and more. I want to convey where the eradicated COVID-19 plague as of January 25th, 2021, and it can help me when USA government pays me tax-free $1 billion using direct deposit can help me to take care of my basic essentials. Pope Francis, the Satan, the Antichrist, the Lucifer, created tax mandate, COVID-19 type child marriage mandated, marriage mandated, and Pope Francis must get out of the earth now only in volcano in Hawaii. So civil justice as of January 2021 today, according to the Holy Bible guidelines, is Pope Francis should pay tax-free $500,000 trillion to each civilian times 7.9 plus billions of humans daily forever, and Pope Francis must resign now, and President Joe Biden must resign now, and I, Vedapriya, become Vatican leader now with salary of tax-free $250,000 per annum with benefits, and I, Vedapriya, become Supreme Chief Civil Judge and Supreme Chief Civil Family Law Judge across the globe for all nations now, and I, Vedapriya, become Global Poverty Relief Medical Chief Director for all nations to lead Medical Services Center for Disease Control, World Health Organization. Then I, Vedapriya, the true Israelite tribe, native Indian tribe, Christian Jew of Israel, Judah, Jerusalem, is the true owner of USA, and USA is Tamil Nadu, and I only must be the interim leader. Then Lord Ripon building in Tamil Nadu must be renamed after my name. Then USA government must pay tax-free $1 billion as a salary for me immediately, for I eradicated COVID-19 plague faster than any robo and saved entire human kingdom as well as a multitasking process. And I also proved absolute monarchs destroyed national operations, and I also proved Pope Francis is Antichrist, the hell creator, must never live in the earth. So whatever predictions predicted in the Holy Bible is happening now. So civil justice wins always is wisdom. I am that I am is born to save the world. So thank you all for your time. Bye for now.